Hey everyone, I recently got this awesome laptop backpack on Amazon from Jetpackz. It's super spacious and has a stylish design that works great for both men and women. The bag has 3 large compartments and a handy front organizer, and the zippers slide super smoothly. There are 2 mesh pockets on the sides to hold your bottles. You can easily adjust the height to your liking, and the padded shoulder straps ensures a comfortable fit. While my 16-inch laptop fits perfectly, this bag can handle even the larger ones, making it versatile for school, work, or travel. Plus, it's waterproof, so you don't have to stress about the rain ruining your belongings. The quality is top-notch and it looks sleek too. If you're looking for an affordable and stylish laptop backpack, I highly recommend this one, so give it a try.